Presenting the TK1000, a high-rigidity 5-axis machining center designed for precision and heavy-duty cutting. Handles workpieces up to 1,150 millimeters in diameter and 2,500 kilograms in weight, perfect for large and heavy parts. With plus or minus 120 degrees axis and 360 degrees Z-axis rotation, it delivers precision for complex parts. Equipped with a powerful side milling head and an automatic gear shifting spindle, delivering 800 Newton-meters torque for stable heavy cutting. Milling, turning, grinding, composite machining boosts efficiency and precision. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.